Instagram Reels for Business. Hello everyone, I'm Augusto from Gozo, and today I'm going to be going through some of the reasons why you should consider using Instagram Reels as part of your Instagram strategy and how to do it. Before starting, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Let's go for it. Instagram Reels is a short and powerful video format. Why it's powerful? Because the Instagram itself is pushing and promoting its use. So if you use it now before your competition and you're an easy adopter, it will boost by itself. Reels are fun and engaging content, and if it is seen by new users and used to attract new audiences, these can help you boost your content and be considered by Instagram as relevant. By this way, the platform itself will help boost your content and show it on the Explore page. How to do it? Be an early adopter, use it before your competition. You can also use it to communicate new releases and previews, just like they do it with movie trailers. If you're an early adopter, again, you may take this as an opportunity to be seen on the Explore page in 2/3 of the screen. Remember, Instagram Reels is now taking most of the screen on the Explore page. Once you start considering Instagram Reels to be included in your Instagram strategy, take some ideas in your mind to boost up the engagement and really take advantage of this new feature. You may want to include popular music, trending songs that are going around and other Instagrammers and YouTubers are using. This is a new way to reaching other audiences. Why? Because when people click on one song that is being used on a very popular account and they want to know what this song is, they will see other creators that are going for this, are including this song in their videos as well. And you can be listed here. This is a great opportunity. Also consider to share the Instagram Reels video to your feed. In this way, you're using your current audience interactions to go higher and go for the chances of getting featured on the Explore page. Include a call to action. Place a comment below, tag someone you know, comment which one is your favorite, anything to provoke a reaction inside your audience. A good movie is watched twice. If you come out with very new and cool content, it's very likely that users are gonna rewatch it, and if they rewatch your video, this is recorded as more views. More views are recognized as relevant content by Instagram itself. And last, choose an eye-catching cover. This is the first thing that is going to be displayed on your feed, on the Explore page, and so on. This is like YouTube's thumbnails, so you want to make sure that you have the same things you consider for YouTube. Bright colors, effects, a catching phrase, be creative. The platform is encouraging its creators to stay inside the platform. So the more you use it, the more chances of getting a reward by Instagram. And what is the reward? More interactions, more exposure. And that's what you want right now. Over the last months, we've been seeing drops in our video engagement rates and the interactions. This is because the platform changed. So if you want more exposure, you will need more interactions. More comments, views, shares, and saves on your videos are considered by Instagram as relevant content. These will be rewarded with more exposure again. So just go for Reels, and if you achieve a very cool content that people interact with, you will see results. And again, the more exposure and engagement from the platform itself will be rewarded with a 2/3 screen on the Explore page. To sum up, Instagram Reels was created for a certain reason. The platform will really appreciate its use, especially now that it's just been released, and may reward your account with more exposure if you manage to tame Instagram Reels videos. So take this opportunity that Instagram is offering to lift your business account engagement, and consider using it before your competitors do. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our videos, stay tuned, and for more information, visit gozo.io.